We all are very fond of dry fruits. You can't find anyone who is not in love with dry fruits. Today in this video, I am gonna tell you some myth versus fact about dry fruits. All the beautiful souls, welcome to my channel Wellness Yoga. Most dry fruits are packed with various micronutrients like vitamins, minerals, proteins, fibers. So which are the most beneficial and delicious dry fruits to eat? Let's find out. So first in this list is obviously almond. They have zero cholesterol and are rich in antioxidants and fiber. Besides that, they are great for skin, hair and overall health. They are also believed to provide protection from heart and many other diseases. Second in my list is cashew nuts. They are rich in vitamin E and B6. They also contain ample protein, potassium, monounsaturated fat and fiber. Walnuts are the third in my list because they are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, proteins, fibers, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals. Raisins, pistachios and dates will come next on the list. These dry fruits are rich in vitamins and proteins. They also boost immunity and prevent lifestyle diseases like cholesterol and diabetes. And this one is apricots. It is the most important dry fruits you should add in your dish. Apricots provided 47% of your daily vitamin A needed. How to include dry fruits in our daily diet? Only a handful of dry fruits per day are more than enough to meet one's daily need. The best way to include dry fruits in one's daily diet is to use them as snacks or to include them in daily cooking and in various dishes. What is the best time to eat dry fruits and why? Generally, in order to gain maximum benefits from dry fruits, one must eat them early in the morning, soaked the previous night and then consumed. Is there any side effect of dry fruits? Yes, there are a lot of side effects if you don't know how to eat dry fruits and when to eat dry fruits. Dry fruits is relatively high in calories and sugar. Common dry fruits contain 38 to 66% of sugar, and eating too much of them may contribute to weight gain and various health problems. However, as they are high in sugar and calories and can cause problems when eaten in excess, dry fruits should only be eaten in small amounts, preferably along with other nutritious food. Which dry fruits you have to eat in the morning, which dry fruits you should eat in the evening, and which dry fruits you should eat in the night. Almonds. Almonds you must take in the morning. Cashews and pistachios you should take in the evening time. Walnuts and dates you have to take in the night. That was all about dry fruits. Next time when you are going to eat dry fruits, please keep in mind what I have said in this video. If you think that this video is valuable for you, then please hit the like button, if possible share, and if you are not still subscribed my channel, then please subscribe. I am Sammy, Yogi Sammy. And thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day.